Well, I think name clashes are a potential concern, but not necessarily a super big deal. There is the trademark system in the US, so you have to take that a little bit seriously. But it tends to be for specific types of product. So I'm guessing that the baby stroller company has it trademarked for baby strollers and not games. But you sort of have to have a quick look at that just to make sure no one has the same thing trademarked for games. Um, and it probably isn't confusing for the other consumers. Really, the company's only ever going to go after you on it, or at least send you a rude letter if they feel like it's confusing for consumers. So, in the end, I don't think it's a super big deal, especially because a lot of people are going to be searching on Steam maybe, or they'll be searching for game in the title as well. So I think you can get away with it, but it's definitely the kind of thing where you just need to think a little bit carefully about it, just to make sure that you won't be either confusing people or having a lot of your Google foo taken away by other entities.
Yeah, I think I just realized I almost always search game in Google when I'm searching for the title of a game. So I think it sounds like most people do that too. So I agree with you. I don't think it's a huge